Hello, all. My name is Pawan Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, continuing our playlist towards Microsoft Excel, today I am going to show you some of the operations in Microsoft Excel. So, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please just subscribe to my channel and please press the bell notification icon to get all updates related to my YouTube channel. So, let's get into this. So, now let's see how to remove duplicates in MS Excel file. So this is the MS Excel file is having a column called first name, and here you can see the names of a different people, and here there are some names which are already been repeated one or more times. For example, like Josephine has been repeated in the row number 3 and row number 4, and here you can see a Leota is already repeated once again in row number 9 and row number 10, and again it's repeated here in the row number 19 or cell number 19. Okay, and also you can see again it's repeated in the row number 23 or cell number 23. Okay. So now if we want to remove all the duplicates which are present in that particular column, so I am going to show you one of the simple method. By using that particular method, you can remove all the duplicates which are present in this particular column. So whenever you want to remove the duplicates, first you have to select that particular column. If you are having more than one or two column, you can select the column like this. Since we have only one column here, so select that particular column. So after selecting that particular column, press Alt A M. So once you press Alt A M, here you can see an option coming here, remove duplicates. To delete duplicate values, select one or more columns that contain duplicates. So we select this particular column and now press OK. So here you can see 4 duplicate values found and removed, 20 unique values remain. So press OK. So once you press OK, now you can see all the duplicates have been removed, and here you can see only the unique values remain in that particular column. Okay. I hope you like this particular video, and please do subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. See you in the next video and see you another. Thank you. Bye bye.